What is up, YouTube? African Tiger here. You might think I'm far from somewhere in some village, but not really. I'm in Kampala. One of the road construction projects taking place, and this is how it's looking. Very dusty, but at least on the upper side is a bit better. You have some tarmac there, and in case you don't know, this is APOLLA KAGGWA road, and right about somewhere here is the traffic lights at Nakulabi. Then just beside up here is Full Gospel Church. So there's a signpost somewhere there that shows you that this side you're heading to Wandege, then the other side you're heading to Nakulabi traffic lights up and towards Mengo. Then when you pass through straight forward, you're heading towards the northern bypass that is in Boise, towards Boise. Yeah, so guys, welcome to another one. African Tiger, like I said, just giving you a small update here along APOLLA KAGGWA road. This is how it's looking, Feb 2025. This particular area, there's a road up here that goes to, there's actually an institute just up there called Multitech, somewhere here. Then there's a road up which is Sago on the 2 road, I believe, that takes you to Mengo up to Bukesa Mengo, towards there's a popular club up there as well called Club Ambiance. Yeah, so where you see that taxi going up that road, it's Sago on the 2 road, takes you to Bukesa Mengo area. This area is looking at this, coming from up there. A lot of dust actually, so much dust. But one particular thing I wanted to show you guys that is being done on this road is there's a very huge gully just right ahead, and the drainage is being worked on. On this other side there's quite a big gully somewhere there. So the entire area just right about this point is being worked on. The drainage is being worked on. There's a very big job going on over here. Right this side there's a popular hostel called Nana Hostel. So let's just see the works going on right over here. It's a Saturday, so there's probably not much going on. Don't know why. Not seeing any busy people, but let's find out. Let's find out. As you guys can see, but on the other side it's actually much bigger. So this side is supposed to connect to the other side, and then the drainage over here is going to be quite fantastic. This road up here heads to Makerere, goes and joins Makerere Hill Road. It's like a shortcut. If you don't want to go all the way to traffic lights these days, you can take this shortcut over here, but it also takes you to LDC. As soon as you start going up here, when you make the turn on the right, that takes you to LDC. Yep, this is pretty much what's taking place over here. I think there's like a scuffle here among these border guys. There's no way through actually. The engineers are saying there's no way through. The border guys are saying no, we have to make our way through. So there's kind of a scuffle. But eventually guys have been allowed to pass. Yep, that's what's happening, guys. Let me show you what's down this side. The gully gets bigger on the downer side here. That's how it looks. But I will continue down on the other side. APOLLA KAGGWA road, guys. Construction. It's been going on for a while. So just bringing you a little bit of changes taking place in Kampala. Yeah. African tiger. So this road up here is Chadondo 2. It's the one I was talking about. It's the one taking us to Bukesa. Yeah, guys, drainage being worked on quite well. And that right there is that popular hostel. These are some of the Makerere hostels. Yeah, a lot of dust. A lot of dust. This is Chadondo 2 road. And right up here is an institute called Multitech. Yeah. Thought I'll bring you guys a quick one about this particular road that is being reconstructed in Kampala. I'm not going to go too much this side. I think I pretty much just end this video here because there's a lot of dust, guys. A lot of dust in front of you. So just up here, that signpost says UNHCR, the UN Refugee Agency offices are here. It says UN Refugee Agency, United Nations High Commission for Refugees. Yeah, so you have an office over here for refugees, UN. So yeah, guys, pretty much this is it. African Tiger bringing you an update in the heart of Kampala. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a video here. Alright guys, I'll be catching you in the next one, and adios. Let me take this other route, make my way up. Yeah, so cheers, have a good one, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.